Hello, hello, hello. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I will show you in a very short video how the Translate Press plugin works and how you can easily use it. Okay. First of all, of course, you're gonna have to install the plugin from the Add New Plugin, and as we can see here, if I'm gonna press Translate, Translate Press, you're gonna see that I have the Translate Press Multilingual plugin installed, and it's working normally. First thing first, we're gonna have to set the plugin, and we're gonna have to go to Settings, to Translate Press, and here we have to choose which is gonna be our default language for the site. So if we use as a default language, let's say the for here I'm gonna use, let's say, the Greek language. The second one, it's gonna be the other languages that I'm gonna use. Here I'm gonna add the English United States, okay, or I can add the English let's say UK. Okay, that depends on what flag I want to use for the language to change. So if I'm gonna press Add, you're gonna see that I have one more language. I can add more languages over here, but I'm gonna just leave it with the two languages here. So the next thing we're gonna have to do is to arrange the language switcher here. If we're gonna select that we're gonna use a short code, we can use the short code to the site builder, or to normally to any point that we want inside the WordPress. In fact, for this example and this tutorial, I'm gonna uncheck this one, or I can select here only flags in case I'm gonna use short codes. You see, you can deselect this one, it's selected, but you can just select how you're gonna use it and what's gonna show when you use the short code. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like only flags, and to menu items, that's gonna be again only flags. Okay, if we're gonna use it inside the menu. One more point is that the Translate Press, it has one option that it can show a floating language selection bar somewhere inside the site, and you can decide that over here, bottom right, bottom left, top right, top left. That's the easy way to add the language switch bar. And here you can select if you want to have the dark or the light way to show the dark or the light theme of this plugin. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one, and I'm gonna have it bottom right so that you're gonna see how it's working. And the next thing I'm gonna have to do is just to press Save Changes. In case we want to use the automatic translation, we're gonna have to create an account over here. If you're gonna see, if you're gonna select Enable Automatic Translation, you're gonna have to create an account to Google and get the Google Translate API. Okay, and there is a link over here. I'm not gonna focus on that part at that tutorial. And on the other hand, you can use the DeepL. That's a very nice and convenient service that you can use and get from there an API. because over here, in fact, to both of those services, you're gonna have to add a credit card. So in case you overtake the limit, it's gonna charge your credit card. And here I'm not gonna use the automatic translation. I'm gonna leave it like that so that I can show you how you can translate the site easily. Okay, we have set up the plugin. Now it's ready. We can go to the front end. Let's refresh this page. I want to show you. You see, now everything is in English here. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Everything is in English. So, in case I want to, you see here, I have the bar over here, and it says to change it to English because it's supposed that I have it in the Greek language over here. If I want to translate everything, because in fact, from the moment that I decided to have the Greek language as the default, I have to arrange all the content to be the Greek language. Sorry for a moment. If I have arranged everything to be in the Greek language, it means that I'm gonna have to write everything here with the Elementor. I can work on this side with Elementor, and you're gonna see that here I have now two flags, the Greek and the English flag. So if this site is supposed to be in Greek, then when I click translate page, I'm gonna see this bar over here. Okay, and here, if I click to this part over here, let's say this one that it says look today, I'm gonna be able to, you see, I have everything here, and I say that the translator editor is in Greek, that this part is in Greek, and I want to translate this one. I'm gonna have to select, let's say, service, and click over here on this small pen and select translate. Here I'm gonna see now that from Greek that it's in service, and to translate it to English and write the one that it's the correct one, and the one that I'm supposed to use. So to this example, maybe it's better to have as a default language the English one, and to use the Greek as the second language. But one way or the other, the idea is to be able to understand how the things is working, because this language could be Romanian, it could be French, it could be German. You know, if you have your main language in you have your main language, let's say in German, and everything, all your pages you're gonna work is gonna be in German. Then when you're about to translate something in English, let's say, like the second language, you come, let's say, to this button. You see here, we suppose that it's German, and you click this pen. So you're gonna see first the main caption that you have already set, like here, here we are supposed to have the Greek one, like that is learn more, and from down here you write the correct one, the translation in English. So if it's empty, then for both languages it's gonna use the same caption. Okay. I hope it was easy to understand. I don't want to keep this video too long. I want to keep it short so that you have an idea about that. I'm gonna make more tutorials later about using the Translate Press, and even with the automation with Google API and DeepL API, so that you're gonna see more tricks and faster ways to translate your website. Thank you very much for the moment. Wish you the best, and see you to the next video. Bye bye.